Welcome to this video, guys. Today we're gonna talk about 3 real strategies to grow on Instagram in 2021. If you don't know me, I'm Alessandro and this is Mamma Mia. Okay guys, welcome back to this video. Today we're gonna talk about 3 real strategies to grow on Instagram in 2021. This will not be the usual video where everyone speaks about the classical stuff like you need to create good content or you need to post with consistency, because of course you need to do that. Of course you need to create good content to grow on Instagram, because no one will ever follow you if you post horrible pictures, or no one will follow you if you post a picture every month, for example, because what's the point? Why should I follow you if you don't post nice stuff? So no, today I want to talk about those 3 real strategies that I analyzed during the past month. I analyzed a lot of nice pictures and pictures. I analyzed a lot of nice profiles that they are growing in a nice, fast way, and I basically understood 3 strategies that they are using every day to grow on Instagram. And those strategies, they will let you grow in an organic way. So you need to know that you will grow not so fast, of course. You will grow for sure, but not so fast. Maybe it will take months or years maybe. So don't be scared about this thing, because to grow on Instagram for real, it requires time. And I wanted to apply those strategies as well on my new profile. Recently I created a new profile on Instagram, so starting from 0, no posts, no followers at all, because working as a photographer I need to have like an online portfolio that can promote myself directly to the client without visiting my website. So if I can promote good content, of course, but in the same time I can make me more visible to the client, so I can have 1,000 of followers. That will help my job. So it will be more easier for me to have new clients, for example. So I created this profile starting from 0, and I'm applying right now those strategies to grow on Instagram. I have less than 100 followers. I have like 4 pictures at the moment, so I still have to apply some strategies that I will talk about now. But maybe when you will see this video, I will be grown, and those strategies will be really efficient. So now let's move on and let's talk about the first strategies. So the first strategies, of course, the first strategy, of course, is be present. You need to be present on a social network. It's a social network, so Instagram is made to be interactive, to be a social person. You need to be a social person. So be social. Try to go on the explore section, tap on a picture, put a like, but also leave a comment, save the picture, or maybe share it with a friend, and let those people know that you really like this picture, even if you don't like this picture. I mean, be kind, be present, let them know that you like something that they are doing, and maybe they will come back to your profile and they will leave a comment, they will leave a like, they will share your post with a friend, or maybe they will save it as a reference, because when they will travel to your country, they will try to emulate your style or emulate the same photos that you take. So that is a really important stuff. And if people leave a comment to you, always reply, always be kind, always trying to interact. Maybe also you can send some direct messages to the people that follow you, or maybe they will leave your comment to your post, or a like to your post, and try to be interactive with them. So try to ask them what they are doing for a living, or in general, be social. It's a generic thing that you should apply in your life, like going out of your comfort zone. So try to use Instagram to go out of your comfort zone and create a good net of contacts, because those persons that will like your post and your pictures, they probably will come back if they are interested about you, because maybe they will see your picture scrolling and then they will never come back. But if they visit your profile, then they will stay probably on your profile and they will come back and they will start to follow you. But now move on and let's talk about the second strategy. The second strategy is about using all the tools that Instagram is giving to you. And the first tool that I want to talk about is the most important right now, and this is Reels. Reels are used so a lot now in every kind of social network. For example, out there is TikTok, and TikTok is trying to compete with Instagram right now. And that's why Instagram created Reels. It created Reels to compete with TikTok. So it's trying to keep the followers and users on Instagram right now. So it's trying to say, hey, don't go to TikTok because I'm giving to you the same function right now. So don't go there, stay here. And doing that, Instagram is promoting a lot, really a lot Instagram right now. Reels right now. For example, in my own page at the moment, the central button is the Reel button. So you can tap there and see a lot of Reels. So my first suggestion is to use Reels. Create as many Reels as possible. But of course you need to create nice Reels, or maybe attractive Reels that people want to share, want to like, want to see again and again and again. So use Reels because Instagram is promoting Reels right now. It's giving a lot of visibility right now to the Reels. More visibility to Reels than posts, because I noticed like the inside data, and my Reels are seen way more times than my posts, because maybe a post is seen like 80 times, for example, and the Reels is seen 160 times. So the double time, so double views, whatever. So use Reels, create Reels, promote Reels, because Instagram will be happy about that. And of course, there are other tools that you need to use. For example, right now I'm creating filter for Instagram, and I'm thinking how to create a new guide on Instagram, and all those tools, maybe they will never let you grow like because you create the best filter ever or the best guide ever. But Instagram will understand that you're not a normal user. You're using Instagram for a specific reason, and Instagram will know that you're trying to be present and to grow on Instagram. And using their tools, Instagram will understand that you are an honest person, you are a good guest, you're a good creator. So use every tool, use IGTV, use stories, use Reels, use guide, use filters, create guides, create everything as possible, and share it. Try to convince people to use your filter, or to use your guides, or to share your guides, or to save your filter, to save your guides, because all this kind of interaction are so important for Instagram, really important. And now let's talk about the third topic, and the third topic is a bit connected to the second one, and is about stories. Stories are so important because, first of all, you can use stories to let know about something about you, because people will start to understand who are you for real. You're not just a picture of a nice landscape. You're a guy or a girl behind a camera, and this person is living a life, a real life. So you can use stories to let people see about your backstage, for example, or your day life. So use stories to say something, to tell a story. And those stories are, I mean, it's quite obvious, of course, but stories are made to create story. And you need to create, for example, a sort of stories that tell people who are you. For example, I recently created some videos and I saved them in the highlights, and about myself, and where I explain who am I and why I'm doing photography, or why I'm running an Instagram profile. So Try to create some stories that people can have a look in during the years, or during the months, or during the days, and when they will come back to your profile, they will see highlights and they will see, nice, guide to travel around the world, whatever, and they will go inside, they will learn something from you. And it's so important, because using stories to tell your story is the most powerful tool ever, because people want to know about you. You are not like a picture, you are a brand. You're a personal brand behind a profile, and people want to empathize with you. So they want to know who are you, what are you doing, and why you're doing that. Use stories as much as you can to let people know about you. And those guys were my 3 strategies on Instagram. I hope this video will be super short, because I don't want to be so dramatic saying a lot of stuff. I want to say the real stuff. These 3 real strategies: be present, use tools, and use stories. Chill. Those are the most important thing on Instagram right now. And of course you need to create good content to grow, but without those strategies, you will never grow. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I invite you to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like that. Leave a comment below or hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!
Mamma mia!